Wondering how to leverage social media for digital marketing? Whether you're just getting started or want to take your online presence to the next level, this video will walk you through the essentials of social media marketing for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn to grow your business or personal brand. Ready? Let's dive in. Step one in using social media for digital marketing is to choose the right platform. Each platform has a different audience and purpose, so it's important to select the ones that best align with your goals. Ask yourself, where is my audience spending their time? For example, Instagram is great for visual content and younger audiences, while LinkedIn is perfect for B2B connections. Focus on mastering one or two platforms to start and don't try to be everywhere at once. Key to social media success is providing consistent, valuable content. Whether you're sharing tips, tutorials, or behind the scenes looks at your business, your content should offer something that benefits your audience. Create a content schedule to post consistently and make sure your content aligns with your brand message. Use a mix of text, images, and videos to keep your followers engaged. Remember, the more value you provide, the more likely your audience will stay loyal and share your content. Social media is not just about broadcasting your message, it's about building relationships. Engaging with your audience is crucial to building trust and creating a community. Reply to comments, answer DMs, and even ask questions in your posts to encourage interaction. The more you engage with your followers, the more connected they'll feel to your brand, which can lead to increased loyalty and word-of-mouth referrals. Hashtags and keywords are your best friend when it comes to increasing visibility on social media. They help new people discover your content organically. Do some research on popular hashtags in your niche, but also use a mix of general and specific hashtags. For example, if you're in fitness, use hashtags like hashtag fitness tips for broad reach and hashtag home workout for moms for a targeted audience. For platforms like YouTube and Pinterest, optimize your posts with relevant keywords to boost your visibility in search results. Finally, track your results to see what's working and what isn't. Most social platforms have built-in analytics that show how your content is performing. Look at metrics like engagement rates, follower growth, and website clicks to understand what types of content your audience enjoys most. From there, you can tweak your strategy and keep improving over time. To recap, here's how you can use social media for digital marketing. Choose the right platform for your audience. Create consistent, valuable content. Engage with your followers. Use hashtags and keywords strategically. Track your results and adjust your strategy. Ready to level up your social media marketing game? Comment below with your favorite platform and tell us how you're planning to grow your presence. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more digital marketing tips.